Nobody seems to know for sure where Cablegate may lead.
As media speculates on the future of the WikiLeaks case, I thought it would be appropriate to ask the opinion of an attorney with experience in dealing with complex international affairs. Recently I found such an attorney, and I was able to conduct an interview with him on February 18th. Hello, I'm Christopher Michael Jehovich, and you're watching ChristopherC.net. I'm speaking with Senior Principal Attorney of McNabb Associates, Douglas McNabb of PC Attorneys at Law. According to their website, www.mcnabbassociates.com, their firm offers over 30 years of international legal experience in dealing with issues such as Interpol litigation, international extradition, and OFAC SDNs. By anyone's standards, their firm is an authority on the issue of global criminal defense. Hello, Mr. McNabb. Thank you very much for your time.
Absolutely.
All right, so here we go. Our first subject will be OFAC SDNs. In the first response I noticed, WikiLeaks Julian Assange economic death penalty, you described the importance of OFAC SDNs. And why is knowing about OFAC SDNs important? Are Julian Assange and WikiLeaks now on the OFAC SDN list?
Well, OFAC is an acronym for the Office of Foreign Asset Control, which is a department within the U.S. Department of Treasury. OFAC has the legal authority under the President's national security powers to designate individuals, businesses, and countries as being sort of enemies of the state, if you will, and designated as SDNs, which is another acronym for specially designated nationals. To paraphrase all of this, the OFAC has the authority to name individuals, business, and countries as being SDNs. Now, the importance of this is that one who has been designated is prohibited from engaging in any financial transactions with any U.S. persons. And persons is defined as a bank, as a business, or individual. So it is a U.S. federal crime for a U.S. person to have a financial transaction with a designated person. We represent, as part of our law practice, a number of individuals and businesses that have been designated by OFAC. And so our practice is to seek to have that person or that entity removed from the SDN list. We have found that all of our clients first learned that they were designated by OFAC when they read about it in the morning newspaper. There isn't any advance notice given to these individuals' businesses at all. And so the practical effect of being designated is that it is an economic death penalty because banks shut down their accounts with designated individuals. Businesses are prohibited from engaging in any financial transactions, either where the bank is a U.S. bank or it has foreign corresponding relationships. So truly it is an economic death penalty. Now, what I did in the video is I analogized what Bank of America, PayPal, MasterCard, Visa had done to WikiLeaks and therefore to Julian Assange. They basically shut down the accounts and they, in my view, treated WikiLeaks and Mr. Assange as if they had been designated by OFAC, so that the corporate side, the private side, was treating Mr. Assange the same as if the U.S. government, through OFAC, had designated him. Mr. Assange, WikiLeaks, have not been designated by OFAC as SDNs. And do I see that that's going to happen? No, I don't really see that that's going to happen. I was voicing opposition to the way that Bank of America, PayPal, and others had treated WikiLeaks and analogized it to OFAC designating the entity and the individual as SDNs.
Stay tuned to Christopher C. throughout the week to see how this story develops.